Hello friends, how are you? I'm Inamulhaq Shah. Today we are going to discuss present indefinite or simple present tense. In this series of lectures, we will cover all the tenses. So today we discuss simple present tense. The simple present tense is also known as present indefinite. For example, she reads a book daily. This is a simple present tense. In simple present tense, first we put subject and then verb and then object. The subject can be I, we, you, they, he, she, it, any singular, any plural, and then verb and finally object. And we use S with he, she, it. We add S with a verb when the subject will be he, she, it or any singular. This is a positive sentence. She reads a book daily. Now, to make it negative, we put does and do in this sentence. This sentence will be she does not read a book daily. Does she read a book daily? Does she not read a book daily? So the first one is a positive sentence, the second one is negative, then interrogative, and then negative interrogative. So to make any sentence negative, use does and do after subject. And to make it interrogative, use does and do in the start of sentence, before the subject. Okay? And now we move to some uses of the simple present tense or present indefinite. Simple present tense is used for habitual actions. For example, I get up early in the morning. Her watch keeps good time. This is habitual action or this is a routine. So we use simple present tense for habitual actions. And the next use is we use simple present tense for universal truth. For example, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The earth revolves around the sun. So these are the universal truth. So we use simple present tense for universal truth. Then in those sentences, the sentences which consist of here and there, and those sentences are exclamatory sentences used to express what is happening in the present, then we use simple present tense. For example, here comes the bus, there she goes. So first we use here and there, then the first form of the verb is used. And then the next use of the simple present tense is that when there is any fixed arrangement, agreement or fixed any arrangement in the future. For example, you can say that the final match starts at 7 o'clock. This is a fixed time in future, so therefore we use the simple present tense. And the bus leaves at 9 o'clock. So this is also a fixed time. So therefore we use simple present tense. And we can also use simple present tense to introduce quotations. For example, Kit says, there is a quotation of Kit, a thing of beauty is joy forever. So this is a wonderful quotation of Kit's. So you can say that we use simple present tense to introduce quotations. So these are some uses of simple present tense. So I hope you got understand. So thank you for watching the video. For more videos and updates, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Goodbye.